friends, welcome back to my channel पाइकी पीयूष। दोस्तों, आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग रियली गुड। चलिए आज मैं आपके लिए जो लेके आया हूँ एक अनबॉक्सिंग कर लेते हैं अराउंड दी वायरलेस गो टू विच इज़ ऑफ कोर्स द वायरलेस माइक एंड इट कम्स विद रिसीवर एंड टू ट्रांसमीटर्स। ठीक है, तो लेट्स स्टार्ट एंड जस्ट सी व्हाट ऑल डू वी हैव इन द बॉक्स. Before we start, I can just tell you that there are two, one receiver and two transmitters in this. Also, you can connect it to your GoPro. You can connect it to your mobile, be it Android or be it Apple. Uh, Along with that, of course, you can connect it to your camera, be it a DSLR or a normal digital camera, or even a mirrorless camera, right? So it's a dual channel wireless microphone. It comes with along with the functionality of 200 meters, you should say. If the distance between the actual receiver and the transmitter is about 200 meters, it still works. It's up to 200. We're gonna test it later on. Along with that, it comes with a 3.5 mm cable. It comes with USB-C, iOS audio input, and everything is there. It of course runs on a 2.4 gigahertz digital transmitter. The best part of this is that it's made in Australia product. If you see over here, you can clearly see that it is made in Australia product. Yes, along with that, what all you have in the box, I'm just gonna tell you as per what it says. It says there is one receiver, two transmitters, and three fur. That's a windshield for protecting the mic from the wind and the noise that causes due to wind. Along with that, there are two USB-C cables. Also, a 3.5 TRS cable is there, and a carry pouch is there. So let's quickly unbox it and see how it overall feels, how is the overall product. Though it's a made in Australia product, not a Chinese, so I'm quite happy with this. So quickly, let me just try and unbox it. Let's try and cut this out. Okay, so here it is. Let me quickly tell you what all is there in the box. First of all, comes out are the all 3 and 4 cables. Let's first of all see how these looks like. Okay. Okay, so here is the quick start guide that comes along. This is a 3.5 mm cable that comes along. Along with that, there is another type C cable, USB to type C. There is another cable, USB to type C again, and yes, USB to type C. We'll see what all is there apart from that in the box. It's like this. If we just pull this out, now these are the real devices which are there. So if we quickly have a look, that's how it is. So these are the puffies, or you can say the noise cancellation kind of thing, windproof. So these are 3 in numbers, and along with that, these are the actual receivers and the transmitters. So you can just pull them up from here. So wow, looks nice. Yep, so these are fully packed currently. Now just have a look. That's how it is. This is the receiver that is there, if you can see it, and these are the two transmitters. Oh, that's quite nice. So first of all, what we can do is we can just try and power it on. If it powers on, oh yes, it powers on, and here it is, the display. Okay, and yes, of course, you can power these on as well. Let me try and do it. And there's a power light. So yes, these are here. So look and feel of these are quite good. It has, what it has is a clip on the back which has a road logo. Along with that, it says made in Australia. There is a serial number. There is a power button on the bottom. Here the mic is, and along with that there is a battery sign and the battery signal option. You have a 3.5 mm jack here, and of course here how it looks like. So here is the mic. If in case of the voice cancellation and all, what you can simply do is just pick this up and just twist it. Let's try and do it. Yep, if you twist it, it doesn't come off. It is there, see. So the noise, the wind noise that comes in, that won't be there anymore because of this. We're going to test it later on and see how the overall quality and everything is. See, as in I speak, you can see it's receiving the signals and all. Not sure because I've not connected it to the mobile, but yeah, we're gonna do it later on. The signal strength is full, and what you can do is you can either use one of them at the same time, one mic at a time, or you can even connect both the transmitters at the same time. So this works in both stereo mode if in case you want to interview someone. So of course it works in that ways. Of course, if in case you just want to use yourself, and so you can do that as well. Moreover, you can connect it directly to the GoPro as well, and it goes very well along with that. I'm going to test it later on. This is just the unboxing video. Apart from that, what you have in the box is a case. And this is just a normal case, nothing exceptional. Okay, so it's just kind of a pouch. You can just put in things over here. That's it, this ways. So that is all about it, guys. Nothing else in the box. And we're gonna test it. We're going to see how it overall the performance and everything, how is it, and I'm gonna tell you in my next couple of videos after I test it. So in the transmitter, if we see, you have a power button on the top, and you have a mono and a stereo option over here. You can press it, and accordingly it can go. On the left side, of course, it says it has a 3.5 mm jack. It also has a Type C cable port. There is a branding over here, Rode Wireless Go 2. Let's see, we're gonna test it and tell you how the overall functionality and how the overall thing is with this Rode Wireless microphones. That is all about it, guys, for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please stay connected if in case you're not subscribed to my channel. Of course, you can do that as well. That's about it, guys. Thank you so much, and take care. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.